Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to add or activate a new payment method on Stripe. Open the Stripe website and then sign into your account either with Google or with email and password. For this case I'm going to sign in with Google. And then once you're logged in, go to the settings. So you should have a settings button in the top right corner here. Click on it once and then go search for payment. So there's this payment panel right here. So I'll click on it once, and here you will find a lot of tabs. Checkout and payment links, payment methods, payment method domains, etc. So we will wait for this to load, and here you will have to click on the payment methods tab. Here you will find a lot of payment methods like cards, Korean cards, carte bancaire for the French, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Kakao Pay, etc. So you just have to click on this button, turn on, and you will be good. That's it guys, now there you have it. The new way of payment has been activated. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you.